Site favorites are the sites that appear in the top menu of iLearn each time you log in. When a new semester begins, the iLearn site for a new course will not show up in the top menu of iLearn by default. So at the start of each semester, you may want to change or update your site favorites based on your current course schedule. This video will demonstrate how to update site favorites and make them visible in the top menu. It will also show how to organize them in a preferred order. Once logged into iLearn, click on the Sites tab in the upper right-hand corner. Here you'll see all of your visible course sites. The sites that are favorites are noted with a yellow star. These are the sites that will show up in the top menu bar each time you log into iLearn. To favorite a site, click on the star next to a course to highlight it. If you want to remove last semester's courses, click and unhighlight the star next to that course. If you would like your courses in a specific order on the menu bar, click on the Organize Favorites tab in the Sites menu. To manage the order of site favorites, drag and drop the courses into your preferred order. After choosing which sites you would like to favorite and organizing them, click the X at the top right of the Sites box. A yellow box will pop up stating, "Reload to see your updated favorite sites." Click on the Reload link, and once your browser reloads, your newly favorited sites will be visible in the top menu of iLearn.